Market a business the right way with these tips. If you market a business yourself, it can be stressful, but it doesn't have to be expensive. When designing a business kit, there are many factors to consider when starting to market a business. Understanding branding. When most people think of branding, company logo is generally what comes to mind, but it is more than that. A brand is how people perceive your product, service, business, or even you as a person, as is the case with a small business. The goal is whether you perceive your business to be is what the customer or prospective customer really think it is. You want that when people think of a specific product or service, your brand is what comes to mind first. What do you want to achieve with your business brand? Social media has made it both easy and complicated to market a small business. With game-like interfaces, social media users and small business marketers can get caught up in the pursuit of likes and shares. Though these may suggest that you are liked by your audience, it may not necessarily equate into sales. Before you start, your goals must be clear. Formulate a plan with measurable goals. Try not to get caught up in fads and causes. Activism should be left to activists. So do not try to piggyback off what is trending with the activist community, as these sites could turn on a dime, with businesses being called out as either hypocrites or opportunists. Examples of brand goals include driving awareness of your product or service, generating business through new leads, increasing sales, increasing customer loyalty, providing a higher standard of customer service. How to create a strong brand identity. Before you do anything else, you need to define your brand. Humans are exposed to so many brand stories. The ones that have cut through are the ones that we instantly understand. We often talk about the elevator pitch to simplify complex thoughts. So, imagine you're in an elevator trying to persuade someone to engage with your brand by answering these 3 questions. 1. What is your brand called? 2. What is your brand about? 3. What makes your brand different? If that took longer than 15 seconds to answer, go back and repeat the exercise. Like a lift encounter, social media is no place for long-winded discussions. Get it straight and make it succinct. Social media branding rules. It is not necessary to be on every single social media network. Start with the ones that you understand. More importantly, start with the ones that your customers use. Trying to market a small business such as a preschool on TikTok. is only going to end in disaster. Your target market is parents of children under the age of 5. It's better to choose one social media network that best suits your business needs and do it right. If you can do 3, great. But don't water down your reach because you would spread too thin. You don't need thousands of followers. 10 followers who buy your product are better than 1,000 followers who don't buy your product. Don't get caught up in follower figures. Post frequently. If you're not posting, you're not visible. So focus on the frequency.